OS2 Warp makes it easy to install any type of application. Let's install a Game Pack demo disk. First, we open OS2 System. Next, we double-click on the Command Prompts Program Object. Now, we double-click on Win OS2 Full Screen and see the Windows Program Manager. We see the minimized OS2 desktop icon in the lower left corner of the screen. We place our demo disk in the proper drive. Ours is A. Now we choose File from the menu bar, then the Run command. We select the Browse button. Then we change the drive's line to A. Now we double-click on Setup.exe. At the Run box, we press Enter and see our program prompt. At the prompt, we accept the default directory and press Enter. We see our program installing to our hard drive. We see the successful install setup prompt. We press Enter and return to the Program Manager. Now we see the Take a Break group window. Let's return to Warp. We double-click on the Program Manager's control button and answer OK to the prompt. And we see the desktop. We close the command prompts and OS2 system windows. Now we remove our installation disk. Let's run our program. We open Win OS2 Groups. We do not see a folder for our Take a Break program.
Although we installed our program, we need to create a program object on the OS2 Warp desktop. Let's create a program object for our Take a Break program.
We open OS2 System. We double-click System Setup. Then we double-click on Add Programs. With the Add New Programs option selected, we choose OK. OS2 Warp automatically searches for our new program, then adds it to our desktop. At the complete prompt, we press Enter. Now we close the System Setup and OS2 System windows. We see the Take a Break folder in the Win OS2 group window. We open it and see our programs. Now let's start one of them, the Incredible Machine. We double-click the TIM program object, and Warp begins our program. We close the program by double-clicking its control button. We answer OK to the prompt. And we close all the windows.
You may pause the tape now to practice on your computer.